Arrow functions are a shorter way to write functions in JavaScript. They look different from regular functions and behave differently too. Let me show you everything you need to know about them. Let's start with a regular function. I'll create a function that adds two numbers. I'll create function add with parameters a and b, then return a plus b. Now let me write the same thing as an arrow function. I'll create const add and set it equal to the parameters in parentheses, then an arrow, then the return value. See the arrow? That's why they are called arrow functions. But we can make it even shorter. If you only return one thing, you can skip the curly braces and the return keyword. If your function has only one parameter, you can skip the parentheses too. Let me create a function that doubles a number. I can remove the parentheses around them. But if you have 0 parameters or more than one, you need the parentheses. If your function needs multiple lines, you can use curly braces and the return keyword. Let me create a function that checks if a number is positive. When you use curly braces, you must write return. Without curly braces, it returns automatically. Now here's the big difference. Arrow functions don't have their own lists. They use this keyword from their surrounding scope. Let me show you the problem with regular functions first. I'll create an object with a name and a method that uses setTimeout. This prints undefined because the function inside setTimeout loses the context. But with an arrow function, it works perfectly. The arrow function inherits this keyword from sayName, which refers to the person object. If you watched my video on the this keyword, you will see why arrow functions make this so much easier. Arrow functions are perfect for array methods like map, filter, and forEach. Let me create an array of numbers. Now to double each number with map, I'll use an arrow function. Let me filter for even numbers. And let me use forEach to log each number. See how much cleaner this is compared to regular functions. Arrow functions make array methods so much easier to read. If you want to return an object without curly braces, you need to wrap it in parentheses. Let me create a function that makes a user object. To write this without the return keyword, I wrap the object in parentheses. The parentheses tell JavaScript this is an object to return, not a code block. Arrow functions are great, but there are times you shouldn't use them. Don't use them as object methods if you need this keyword to refer to the object. This doesn't work because the arrow function doesn't have its own this keyword. Use a regular function instead. Also, don't use arrow functions as constructors. They can be used with the new keyword. That's arrow functions. They are shorter to write, don't have their own this keyword, perfect for callbacks and array methods, but shouldn't be used as object methods or constructors. Once you get used to them, you will use them all the time. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.